With the goal of improving postoperative pulmonary outcomes, a multidisciplinary team at Boston Medical Center developed iCough. The program incorporates comprehensive patient and family education with standardized electronic physician orders. iCough stands for Ways to Avoid Respiratory or Other Complications for Surgical Patients. It emphasizes incentive spirometry, a common office test used to assess lung strength, coughing and deep breathing, oral hygiene, understanding through patient and family education, getting out of bed at least 3 times a day, and head-of-bed elevation. The team that led iCough included leadership from many departments, including infection control, physical therapy, quality and patient safety, respiratory care, surgery, and others. To increase acceptance of iCough, instill a sense of commitment and pride, and redefine the culture at BMC, the team also included nursing leadership and practicing ward and intensive care unit nurses. In the 12 months after the program began at BMC, the incidence of postoperative pneumonia following non-cardiac general and vascular surgery fell from 2.6 to 1.6%. During the same period, the incidence of unplanned intubation at BMC fell from 2 to 1.2%. The program resulted in an estimated cost savings of at least $3 million over 2 years. In that time, it is estimated that the iCough program prevented 53 patients from developing pneumonia and 39 patients from having to undergo unplanned intubations.